In this video, I'm not going to go over a ton of different information. I'm actually not even going to go over the expenses paid or anything because those are really similar every single month. So if you look at a previous month that I did, you can see I pay for hosting, Canva, Cricut, which I am getting rid of, and Adobe, and then QuickBooks, and I have fees for everything I sell. So that comes out of the income that I receive, and I usually go back and do actual versus what I paid in fees, but I don't know what I'm making fees until I actually make sales. So I don't usually do that, and you can imagine what the fees are. So really this is just me tracking my online income to show you guys what is possible as a small-ish YouTuber. I am not huge. So when I did this is in May. So I'm going to show you what I received versus what I earned because they're quite different. And normally I have very similar. As you can see in March, I did $14.83 earned and then $14.63 actually received. But in May, things were super different. So I want to show you how that looked. I'm going to start with received. So I did get paid on the 4th by AWIN, and that is an affiliate marketing company, and I got $28.49. Then on the 5th, I got paid by Etsy from my shop, and that was $67.24, and that is after fees that they keep. So that is the after fee amount that I get after all of my sales. And then I started selling this month on my own website. So Stripe does some of my payment processing. Because Stripe does some of my payment processing, I am going to have new random payments from them. So anytime I make a sale, it comes straight through to my account, which is nice. Unlike PayPal, which has kept my money hostage. You'll see that PayPal isn't on here, but I do have a PayPal balance that they won't let me withdraw yet. So that's annoying. On the 12th, Etsy paid me again, and that was $58. Then I also got on the 19th, Etsy pays out every week. So a week later, Etsy, I got $53.44. Then Stripe again, I made a sale that day. So Stripe sent me $12.32. Then on the 20th, the next day, I got another sale. I might just in the future combine all of my Stripe into one, even though it pays when I earn it, because writing all this out is gonna get way too long if I do it this way. This is the first time I'm doing it. I'm actually doing May income report, writing it out before I do April. So in April, you'll get to May and be like, what is she doing? But that's why. On the 20th, I got $7.95. Then on the 21st, I got my AdSense payment from the Google, and that was my biggest month so far. So $852.20, which was amazing. Then I got another Stripe payment on the 22nd, and that was $787. Then on the 27th, Etsy paid out again. Love those consistent Etsy sales, and that was $25.41. And then affiliate income, I got paid by Amazon on the 29th. So that was it. It was mostly digital product sales and then my big AdSense payment. There's not a lot of affiliate payouts. I earned a bit in affiliate, but I didn't get paid it. And then I will add Robinhood here as well. And Robinhood was insane. I earned $216.45 in free stocks. That's crazy, guys. So the total amount I earned received in the month of May was $1,435.20. So that is pretty good, and I'm very excited about it. However, what I earned, the amount that I earned that I will be paid, is way different and so exciting. I am so excited about this. Okay, so let's start with I guess I should go smallest to largest. I had 11 different sources of income. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I had to make sure I had enough spaces to do this. So I'm gonna start with the smallest, which is Share a Sale. And that is an affiliate network. And on Share a Sale, I earned $4.54. So not a ton, but you know, a little trickle right there. Flex Offers is another affiliate network. I will leave links for all of these down below. You can join them if you are a content creator or YouTuber and look for programs that fit your site. Each one has like multiple different ones, so you can apply for different ones. I earned $8 on Flex Offers. Then number 3, on some Google ads on my blog, I earned a grand total of $13.15. So when I get paid Google over here, it's my YouTube channels and then this, but this is like nothing because my YouTube channels are way more popular, even though I think I'm a better writer technically. Impact Radius is another affiliate network, and I belong obviously to multiple of these, 4 different ones. So I have multiple programs in each one that I promote, and I try to keep track of them pretty well. This one has varied widely. Some months my programs in there do really well, and some months it's like $20. It's super back and forth on what I'm earning with affiliate marketing. I'll be real honest with you. So that's part of why like this income is so unstable. It's not something that I count on because it can go from like $400 to $200 to $20 the next month. It's very unstable. So after Impact Radius, we have Patreon. This is actually a new income source for me, and I did start a Patreon, and I earned $46.33. I'm very excited about it. That is pretty exciting for my 3rd month. This is the 3rd month I've had it. The second month. Yeah, I started in April, so the 2nd month I earned $46. Thank you for supporting me. If you would like to join, I will leave a link for Patreon down below. I'm still getting the hang of it, but if you want to join and if there's anything you want to see, let me know. So Patreon, I earned $46. Then on Amazon Associates, which is just promoting some Amazon products, which are stuff like the pens I use. So I use Tombow dual brush. Like I obviously use it a lot. It's kind of rubbing off. So Amazon, I earned $138 even, which is funny because it's almost never even. And then on my next one, I started doing website product sales. So on my own website, so it says website sales, but it really should say products, product sales, but on my own website, penniesnotperfection.com, I earned $166.50. Woo, woo. That is exciting. So I did move away from Etsy, which means Etsy comes next. And that means Etsy is less than it has been in previous months, but that's because I moved over to my own website. I am doing both, and so far that's going okay. So $194.85 is what I earned on Etsy in May. Then after that, what comes next? What is the next biggest? The next biggest is AWIN, which is an affiliate network. It's been my most consistently high affiliate network, and that is $204.93 that I earned there. So that is a pretty good number. As you can see, these numbers are increasing, which is very exciting, and it shows that little amounts that you earn from each income source really add up if you have multiple. So after AWIN, we have Robinhood. Robinhood, obviously you know what I made from Robinhood and stocks, free stocks, because it's right here and I get paid those immediately once they go through. So $216.45 from free stocks. Thank you guys for doing that. That is supporting my portfolio that is for my daughter's future, which is very exciting. After Robinhood, we have my second channel. So YouTube channel number 2. This is YouTube number 1 that you're watching currently. So YouTube channel number 2, and that is called Create with Pennies Not Perfection. It just kind of shows you the behind the scenes of some of the online income stuff I do, and does tutorials and answers some questions whenever I feel like filming something I'm doing. So I earned $295.74, which is by far the most I've earned from that channel ever. That's amazing. It's gone way, way up from what it was earning. That's the most in a month ever. And I earned the most in a month ever from this YouTube channel. So Pennies Not Perfection YouTube channel is number one in income because I earned so much more than I expected. I earned $877. Whew, 36. That is so much money, you guys. That is so much money. It's insane. I can't even handle how much money that is. Whew, okay. I can't believe I earned that much. I only brought home $1,400 of it, which has been really consistent, bringing home $1,400. That's of course pre-expenses and pre-tax, so I don't keep that much, but that's been really consistent. But let's add this up because that's a lot of money. Holy cannoli, I made over $2,000 from this in a month. That is insanity, you guys. So, you know, last month I made a total of $2,000, which was my first time hitting that mark. And then this month I earned $2,185, which, let's be real, is bonkers to me. And that means if I do a little math over here on the side, I earned $171 extra from the month before. Whoa. So I'm gonna set my goal as $2,000 next month. So this is my second month over 2K, which is crazy to me because I know you can earn money online, but I never really thought that I would consistently earn $2,000 online. I really didn't. I know a lot of the online marketing skills, and I've done, literally, I used to do SEO professionally, which is funny because I don't do it much on my channel, but like I know the skills, but there's a lot more than skills involved in YouTube. There's also personality and luck and all of these things. And I just didn't think I could do it, but I've done it for 2 months in a row, and that's amazing. So the total I earned is $2,185.85. So if we flip back to the yearly online income and then we bring in this monster of a month, $2,185.85, adding that to the total here. So in May, I earned $2,185.85. That's getting me much closer to the average I need to earn per month for this income goal. I know that because of how YouTube works with the ads being a lot higher in December, I will probably earn a lot in this month. So I'm hoping that I earn consistently this $2,000 number all the way until I get to this big number at the end. But who knows? YouTube is so unpredictable. You never know. Honestly, I didn't earn that much in March because of, I feel like, I don't know actually. I didn't earn that much in March, so who knows? Who knows where I'm going? But this is super exciting and I'm so grateful. Thank you guys.